One evening as the sun went down and the jungle fires were a-burning, down the track came a hobo a-hiking, and he said, "Boys, I'm not turning. I'm a-headed for a land that's far away, beside that crystal fountain. I'll see you all this coming fall in the big rock candy mountain." Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cigarette trees, by the soda water fountains, by the lemonade springs where the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountain. Yeah. In the big rock candy mountains, it's a land that's fair and bright. The handouts grow on bushes and you sleep out every night. The boxcars are all empty and the sun shines every day. I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the sleet don't fall and the wind don't blow, in the big rock candy mountains. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cigarette trees, by the soda water fountains, by the lemonade spring where the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountain. In the big rock candy mountain, you never change your socks. Little streams of alcohol come a-trickling down the rocks. Oh, the shacks all have to tip their hats and the railroad bulls are blind. There's a lake of stew and a ginger ale too, and you can paddle all around it in a big canoe in the big rock candy mountain. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cigarette trees, by the soda water fountains, by the lemonade spring where the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountain. Candy mountain, the jails are made of tin. You can slip right out again as soon as they put you in. There ain't no short-handled shovels, no axes, saws, or picks. I'm bound to stay where you sleep all day, where they hung the jerk that invented work in the big rock candy mountain. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cigarette trees, by the soda water fountains, by the lemonade spring where the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountain.